All right, the network is back now. So I'm going to clean the chart and start the analysis from the weekly time frame. So the overall we know what we should be expecting this week. So okay, now this is the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. So now the first thing we need to do now is to mark out our key levels, the areas of rejection. All right. But first, as you can see here, the weekly time frame is bearish. Remember, we are not going to consider all this move right here. You know, this is how some men to analyze, but I don't analyze that way. Considering all these whole higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows from here, I don't consider all those stuffs in my analysis. What I consider is the current happening. So as you can see on the chart, this is the current happening. One, two, three. This is a path for the past 3 weeks now. GBP USD has been in a downtrend. So what is the need of looking at all these places? Do you understand? So now we know that for the past 3 weeks, GBP USD has been in a downtrend because this is weekly time frame and each candle you see here represents 1 week. So look at this, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 weeks. So for the past 3 weeks, GBP USD has been trending down. You understand? So now what we are going to do now, we'll start by marking out our zones, our key levels. I pick the horizontal line, can identify the level here. Okay, there's another one here. There's another one here. So ignore all these areas. Just focus on where price is currently. Understand? So this is where the price is. This is where the market closed last week. So our focus should be around where the price is currently. So on the weekly time frame now, this is the zones that we are able to identify. These are the obvious rejection zones on the weekly time frames. We have already identified them. So now we don't really know what's gonna happen yet until we scale down to the lower time frame. So now let's look at the daily time frame. Okay. So on the daily time frame, we're still going to go ahead and identify zones because on the daily time frame we can see this zone here and which other one. This is also a zone which price is rejecting off, and which other one again. We have another zone here. So Now this is what we have on the daily time frame. Now we scale down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, the picture is becoming clearer now. So on the 4 hour time frame, we have another zone here, and which other one? We have a zone here as well. So now, as you can see on the chart now, we marked out our key levels, which is also known as psychological levels. That is areas of rejection, areas that price has rejected off, price has bounced off in the past, in the previous weeks. You understand? So these areas are very, very important to look out for on the chart. So now this is the 4 hours time frame now. From the weekly time frame, we identify that for the past 3 weeks, GBP/USD has been trending bearish. So now on the 4 hours time frame now, as you can see, the picture is clear now. Alright. So now what we are going to be expecting now this week. This is where the candle closed off last week. The candle closed bullish. It closed bullish, but look at this previous candle. This previous candle that closed bearish. Look at this long weak rejection. So this indicates that the trend is about to continue. It was trended down here. It sold down here. It retraced back to this zone to retest this zone right here. So it broke out of this support level. Now it has come back to retest it, to test the level. Now from this bearish candle that closed with a very long wick on the top is a clear sign that the trend is about to continue. You understand? But what do we do now? We'll scale down to the lower time frame, to the 4 hour time frame, to see if we can get a clear picture. Okay. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame now, we have an obvious resistance level here, which match perfectly with the level we mark from the higher time frame, which is the 4 hour and daily. So let's now we use the horizontal ray, right? And now we have support level here, and then look at this level that price is reacting to. This is a strong level from the higher time frame. I think from daily time frame and forward time frame is a strong level. So price is creating another resistance here. But now this is 1 hour time frame. So what we need to do now is we scale down to the 30 minutes time frame, because normally I do my execution on the 30 minutes time frame and sometimes on the 15 minutes time frame. So basically after execution, I'll stay on the 15 minutes time frame to manage my trades. Understand? So uh, trade management based off the 15 minutes time frame. I'm going to make a separate video on that, on how you can properly manage your trade, how you can identify the trade that is not going to go in your way. You know, your ability to identify the trade that is not going to go in your way and close on time is also a win. It's also considered as a win, and it's also a skill that need to be put into consideration. So now this is 30 minutes time frame. So what I'm seeing here now, if you look at this candle, This is what's it called? This candle pattern, candlestick pattern. This is an inverted hammer. I don't really know what the name is, but I think this will be an inverted hammer. Guys, if you know the name of this pattern, just drop it in the comment section. But we all know that this is a strong rejection candle pattern. Then look at the next candle. The next candle came out showing indicating a very strong uh, bearish move. Now it closed bearish without leaving a wick in the bottom. The next candle opened and closed bullish. So now from this analysis now this is a resistance. There's a mini support level here. So this mini support level is broken already in the 30 minutes time frame. So according to this analysis and according to my own uh, prediction, what I'm expecting this week is a massive sell on GBP USD. If GBP USD will buy, it will be a short-term buy. So either buy to this level, which will complete this leg to become a double top. You understand? Then to start selling from there. Or it will break out of this support level, close below this support level, then it will start selling from here. So for the buys, for anybody that might be looking for a buy setup on GBP USD, this is what you should be looking out for. If you are looking for buys on GBP USD, wait patiently for candle to break out of this resistance level, break out and close with a full body candle outside like this, then you're going for a buy. You understand? So this is my analysis for the week. This is what I'm expecting. uh the room is open for criticism. If you have any counter observation, you kindly drop it in the comment section. We are all here to learn. Nobody's perfect, but this is what I'm expecting this week on GBP USD. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.